University of Hawaii students are paying more to live in a dorm room with air conditioning, but not all are getting what they paid for. A frustrated parent whose son lives on the Manoa campus reached out to our action line for help, saying the air conditioning at Freer Hall has not worked since last year. So when will it be fixed? Bridget Namata got answers. Bridget?
Yeah, we are right outside of Freer Hall, one of the newer residence halls here at UH Manoa, and I am told that Freer is the only residence hall with AC, and that's a lot of the reason why students pay more to live here. But for many months, students have been telling me the rooms have been hot and miserable, and they just want to know when it will be fixed. So I came here to get them an answer.
Kelly Lyman is a junior at UH Manoa and brought us into her dorm at Freer Hall to feel the heat for ourselves.
Sometimes I open this to see if there would be more of a breeze that comes through, but that's not helpful at all. But
she says the broken AC really distracts from her schoolwork.
when I'm sitting here and I'm just studying, and it's just like really distracting to have to think about it. Like, it's just so hot, and that's why I just go to the library most of the days.
Lyman says UH gave her a fan in the meantime to deal with the heat, but she says it doesn't help much.
For the residence hall that is specifically for AC, this is what the students want, and this is what we pay for.
Lyman emailed student housing to get an update on the broken air conditioning, but it took 10 days to get a reply.
I feel like it's kind of neglected, maybe, because, well, for one thing, they took a really long time to respond to my email. And I feel like if this was an issue that happened before move-in, it should have been dealt with prior to students moving in.
Lyman tells me the school said it could take up to 60 days to fix the problem. But UH spokesperson Dan Meisenzahl tells me students should expect AC within the next 2 weeks.
This is unacceptable. I really want people to understand that our student housing people are really working hard to rectify this problem.
I'm told 80 rooms at Freer Hall were without AC since January. Meisenzahl says most of the rooms are now fixed, but 20 rooms still do not have working AC. There are 1 to 2 students per room. I asked, why is it taking so long to fix it? Meisenzahl says there's a number of causes. For one, there are only 2 companies on island that deal with these specific air conditioning units.
We've actually gone out to bid on a few things, and we've gotten nothing back because I guess they're busy, so we've had to go put them out to bid. So that's caused some of the delays.
Meisenzahl says affected students will receive a $5 a day credit.
And a student tells me he spent just over $4,600 this past semester for housing, and he hasn't had working AC here at Freer Hall since December of 2015. We'll continue to follow the repairs and let you know when those happen. Live from UH Manoa, Bridget Namata, KHON 2 News.
Again, we learned about the AC issue from a tip to Action Line. If you have a consumer concern, call Action Line at 591-0222. Weekdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or email actionline@khon2.com.